Model Predictive Control presented by Yuna Choi and Larry Mo. Model predictive control is an advanced method of process control used to predict the behavior of outputs with respect to change in the process inputs. The model predictive controllers use previous process input and outputs to predict the future process outputs. Then model predictive control sends this variable to corresponding controller set points to be implemented in the process. Model predictive control is a highly specific method for controlling a process, which means controllers can only work for one unit. Therefore, model predictive control systems are better control performance but less flexible. This is the basic structure of model predictive controller. The model takes process measurements of current and future and predict the future process outputs for the time step. Then this output goes to the optimizer and solve optimization problem with history of past variables and optimization cost function. This gives the predictive future inputs. Model predictive control is a type of feed-forward control, but it is an advanced method since it takes account the process output much past the residence time. Model predictive control system is quite complicated because the control action is determined as the result of optimization problem. Our example for model predictive control is a chocolate factory owned by Willy Wonka who wants to make 100 chocolate bars. From this example, we will see how feed-forward and model predictive control are different. The model predictive control in Chocolate Factory predicted that factory will only produce 80 chocolate bars, while desired amount is 100. Then, optimizer combines the error, predicted outputs, and operating cost function to find the optimal solution. If the chocolate factory has feed-forward control instead of model predictive control, the factory will end up producing 100 chocolate bars. However, since model predictive control considers the cost Wonka needs to pay for making 20 more chocolate bars, the factory will end up producing 90 instead of 100 chocolate bars. In conclusion, model predictive control is an approach to controller design that involves optimization conclusions. The optimization problem takes account of system dynamics, constraints, and control objectives.